एक टेस्ट भी करोगे तो लिसनिंग के 10 टेस्ट आप खत्म कर सकते हो। 7 डेज में करने हैं तो आप 2 टेस्ट एक दिन में कर सकते हो। Let everybody join in next 5 minutes. We will start. Please keep a paper and pen with you.
Prashant, kindly record the class.
Great. If any one of you meanwhile want to try the self-introduction as a practice, by the time other people are joining and we start a new thing, any one of you can start that self-introduction speaking wala. Rashri, if possible, switch on your camera, please. Good afternoon, Varun. Rashri, start.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, should I start?
Yes,
ma'am,
please.
can I practice for 2 minutes, please?
Okay. Jasmine, are you ready? Self-introduction. Any one of you, Bhaumek or Shranya, whosoever is ready.
Ma'am, can I have 5 minutes?
Okay. All of you can revise then.
Ma'am, can I ask something? Ma'am, as they said in the interview that we have to tell that we are the only child, so we don't have to talk about our siblings, right?
Yes.
So in the self-introduction also, we don't have to talk about that.
Yeah, ideally because Yogesh ji suggested these 2-3 lines to keep like them, so you can keep it that way, that I'm the only child of my parents and they're helping me, supporting me to study abroad. These lines, you can keep it with yourself and try to speak the same way.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I think most of you have joined. Shall we start the session now? Okay. So in last class, most of you were there. I think Shranya was not there. So we did writing task 1. I hope all of you remember writing task 1 is a process writing wherein you will see any pie chart, any graph, any water cycle or any map and you need to describe that image in 150 words in 20 minutes. How to describe that image? I shared the format. I am repeating that format. Those who are not there can rewrite. First paragraph has to be the introduction, 30 words. Then overview, again 30 words. Overview must start with word called overall. Overview has to start with a word called overall, followed by comma. I'm writing in chat. Overview has to start by a word called overall, followed by comma. So introduction 30 words, overview 30 words, body para 1 45 words, body para 2 45 words. You can also write one body paragraph of 90 words rather than 2 of 45 words each. That's up to you. Conclusion नहीं आता है इसके अंदर. Essay writing में conclusion आता है, process writing में conclusion नहीं आता. Please note that. No conclusion in task 1. Jasmine ने होमवर्क भी करके दिया था task 1 का. That was absolutely fine. Other students, did you try any image, any pie chart, any water cycle? Okay, Shranya, what is the format for writing task 1 जो अभी discuss किया मैंने?
Ma'am, introduction of 30 words, overview with 30 words, and we have to start with overall and body and no conclusion.
Body of how many words?
Ma'am, 30.
No. No. Jasmine, can you repeat? ध्यान से सुनो Shranya.
Ma'am, introduction with 30 words, overall with 30 words, and main body with 90 words. And it totally depends on us that we write in first 1 paragraph or 2 paragraphs.
Exactly. Body is of 90 words. Whether we want to break in 2 paragraphs of 45 words each, that is up to us. Otherwise, we can write 1 body paragraph of 90 words. Is it clear, Shranya? You made a mistake here.
Yes, ma'am.
Arun and others, any doubt in the format, Bhumik? Good to go? Okay. So, I have shared one link. I'm sharing that link again in chat box. I give you 5 minutes to go through this link. Can you see all of you in chat box? Google Meet पर? Link दिख रहा है IDP का? इस लिंक पे क्लिक करके देखो IELTS का लिसनिंग खुलेगा. Can you open this link?
Yes, ma'am.
ये IELTS का लिसनिंग इस लिंक पे क्लिक करने से IDP की वेबसाइट पे हम जाते हैं. IDP इज द गवर्निंग बॉडी फॉर IELTS एग्जाम, जहाँ पे आप एग्जाम देंगे. IELTS का एग्जाम IDP से ही बुक होता है. तो IDP ने बहुत सारा रिसोर्स मटेरियल प्रैक्टिस के लिए अपलोड किया हुआ है. इस लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो IELTS की लिसनिंग के 10 टेस्ट दिख रहे होंगे. 1 हफ्ते का टाइम है. अगर आप एक दिन में 2 भी टेस्ट करते हो तो नेक्स्ट संडे तक आप पूरे 10 के 10 टेस्ट प्रैक्टिस कर चुके होंगे. लिसनिंग में कितने क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जैस्मिन? याद है? फॉर्मेट भूल गए?
Ma'am, 40 questions.
40 questions, 40 minutes. Getting 40 out of 40 in listening is very easy because it is scoring. Listening is all about your practice and your concentration, nothing else. Listening के tips and strategies क्या हैं that I am sharing with you guys. Just give me a second. I'm doing a screen share. Let me know whether you can see the screen or not after 1 minute. Is the screen share visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So there are some tips for listening. First is understand the format. Rashri, can you see this point and read it out for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Point 1 is understand the format. And second point is the practice active listening. Third point is predict the content. And fourth one is improve note taking. And the last one is stay focused.
Okay. So what do you mean by understand the format? Any one of you? वरुण, ऋषभ, जिसने एग्जाम दिया है, वरुण तुमने तो ऑलरेडी एक बार दिया है, योगेश जी बता रहे थे, पहले दे चुके हो. अंडरस्टैंड दी फॉर्मेट का क्या है? लिसनिंग के बारे में कुछ बताओ वरुण. स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा गाइस, व्हाई इट इज ऑफ?
ma'am, no, ma'am. There are relatives in my house, so I don't.
अच्छा ठीक है, तुम बताओ मतलब क्या है.
Ma'am, to understand the type of questions.
Absolutely. So basically we get multiple choice questions, we get gap filling question, we get diagram labeling question, and we get short answer questions. Okay, so these are 4 to 5 types of question types. Gap filling, multiple choice, diagram labeling, these sort of questions, short answer questions you get. So you need to understand what type of questions you get. Practice active listening. You need to understand the audio very carefully. It is all about concentration. जो भी एक्सेंट में वो बोल रहे हैं उसके लिए आपको कंसंट्रेशन मेंटेन करना है. ये जो लिसनिंग है ये कोई भी न्यूज़ चैनल से डाउनलोडेड हो सकती है, कोई पॉडकास्ट हो सकता है, कोई कन्वर्सेशन हो सकती है। प्रिडिक्ट द कंटेंट, ये इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ से आ रही है, कोई स्पेसिफिक डेट आपको उसके अंदर मिल रहा है, कोई टाइम मिल रहा है, कोई नेम मिल रहा है, उसको आप ध्यान से सुने। नोट मेकिंग, जब आप लिसनिंग करते हैं तो आप चाहें तो डायरेक्ट आंसर्स आंसर शीट पे लिख सकते हैं या नोट मेकिंग भी कर सकते हैं। स्टे फोकस्ड, अटेंटिव रहना लिसनिंग में बहुत जरूरी है। लिसनिंग इज ऑल अबाउट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, नथिंग एल्स। फेयर इनफ?
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Moving to next points. I'm doing a screen share again. बाकी पॉइंट्स आते हैं। यूज द एग्जाम्पल एट द स्टार्ट। आप कभी भी लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो पहला क्वेश्चन एक एग्जाम्पल दिया होगा। चेक स्पेलिंग इन ग्रामर। लिसनिंग में अगर आपकी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है या ग्रामेटिकल एरर है तो वो आंसर गलत माना जाता है। वॉच फॉर द पैराफ्रेज, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जो भी क्वेश्चंस बोल रहा है उसमें कोई सिमिलर मीनिंग, सिमिलर वर्ड तो नहीं है। टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट 40 क्वेश्चंस 40 मिनट्स में हो जाए। दिस विल ओनली कम बाय प्रैक्टिस। लिसनिंग में डिफरेंट एक्सेंट्स यूज होते हैं, ब्रिटिश, अमेरिकन एंड ऑस्ट्रेलियन। So the more you practice, the more accent you will understand and you can easily get 40 out of 40 in listening. It is highly scoring. Now take 5 minutes. Just think whatever I discussed. If you have any questions, you can ask. Any questions, any one of you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I think I have shared.
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम एखाने यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि यूज द एग्जांपल एट द स्टार्ट, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
Example एक दिया होता है. Every listening question has one example. So you need to observe the example. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you have 10 practice material for listening. रोज एक करके देखिए. आप एक लिसनिंग को 6 बार करें जब तक 40 out of 40 नहीं आ जाता, rather than picking the new listening. Because if you do one listening 4 to 5 times, every time you will understand where are you lacking, where are you making mistake. so that when you pick a new listening next time, same mistake will not be repeated. I hope I made it clear. 10 लिसनिंग के टेस्ट इकट्ठे नहीं करने हैं. आप एक लिसनिंग का टेस्ट उठाइए, उसको 4 से 5-6 बार करिए जब तक 40 आउट ऑफ 40 नहीं आ जाते. इससे क्या होगा कि आपको जो मिस्टेक है पता चलेगा कि कहाँ मिस्टेक हो रही है, और जब आप नेक्स्ट टाइम न्यू लिसनिंग का सेट उठाएंगे तो आपको पता रहेगा कि ये मिस्टेक मुझे उसमें नहीं करनी है. एम आई क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ग्रेट. अभी हम एक बार सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन स्पीकिंग का दोबारा स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, और मैं स्पीकिंग का क्यू कार्ड कराने वाली हूँ. क्यू कार्ड मतलब ऑन द स्पॉट टॉपिक दिया जाता है. 1 मिनट प्रिपरेशन टाइम है एग्जाम के अंदर, 5 मिनट प्रिपरेशन टाइम हम प्रैक्टिस मोड में लेते हैं. मैंने बहुत सारे सैम्पल्स भी शेयर किए थे, और मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोगों ने सैम्पल्स पढ़ लिए होंगे. So we can try 4-5 different topics in today's class so that your speaking is improved. After your self introduction, we will start. So just get ready for self introduction. My camera is switching off because of technical reason. वो बंद हो रहा है, खुल रहा है. बाकी सब लोगों से request है कि camera please on रखें. You are attending a online class, so camera has to be on. Revise the format for self introduction, all of you. I can pick any one of you to give your introduction after 5 minutes.
Ma'am, can I ask something?
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, you said you shared some PDF and all, but I don't think I have
I shared the
received any.
PDF. I shared one PDF with Yogesh and also I shared a lot of speaking PDFs. I hope Yogesh has shared with you. If he has not shared, I'll remind him again. Others, have you received any speaking handout, any speaking PDFs? Say yes or no.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll remind
No,
Yogesh
ma'am.
again. I'll remind him again. Don't worry. हम लोग नया टॉपिक प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे. Don't worry.
Ma'am, I have received some sample questions.
Of speaking.
Band 9 model answers.
Okay, we'll see that. We'll see that. Self introduction के लिए जो ready हो जाए, they can start automatically. Any one of you can start the introduction, please.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please start.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is K. Varun Teja and I'm from Hyderabad. And I have completed my BTech in civil engineering. And about my work experience, I have worked as a business development officer in third-party agency who works for WWF for 6 months. And later on, I have resigned to pursue my master's. And I'm blessed with a nuclear family where I am the only child of my parents, and my parents are supporting me financially, and they are really well off. And I would like to come back to my home country after finishing my masters, and will grow here. And I like to travel alone and play cricket. And I dislike seafoods. And my strength are I'm a quick learner. And whereas my weakness is to say no when to say it. And my short-term goal is to finish masters in Italy, and my long-term goal is to start my own construction company here in India. Thank you.
Good try. Next candidate, please.
Should I try? Hello, ma'am. Very good afternoon to hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Very good afternoon to both of you. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Prachi Gupta, and I belong from Balia. I have done my graduation in Bachelor's of Commerce from Telegram PG College, Gorakhpur. And I belong from a nuclear family consisting of 3 people. Me being the only child, and my parents, as they are very supportive and they are sponsoring me to go to abroad for my higher studies. And I really like to listen to music and really like to travel. And I'm talking about my dislikes. There are not any major dislikes about me that I could have. And talking about my strength, then it would be I adapt things very quickly. And talking about my weakness, then it would be emotionally weak. And my short-term goal right now.
That's it.
Short-term goal.
Varun, over to you. Can you start your self-introduction quickly?
Ma'am, again? Hello?
Okay, Bhumik, you can start. Varun is already done.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Hi, I am Bhumik Banerjee and I belong to West Bengal, India. I have completed my 10th and 12th examination from Krishnath College School, Bahrampur, Murshidabad. Right now, I am preparing to pursue bachelor's in abroad. About my family, I'm blessed to be a part of nuclear family. I am the only child of my parents. My parents are really well off and supporting me financially. I would like to come back to my country after finishing my graduation. In my free time, I like to play cricket as it brings me joy and relaxation. But on the other hand, I don't like to spend too much time on social media. According to me, I have a weak point that I am little bit lazy about to speak English fluently, but proper listening and problem solving abilities are my strengths. My short term goal is to finish my graduation in Italy, and my long term goal is to start my own company and become an entrepreneur.
It's entrepreneur, not entrepreneur.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think all of you understand the self-introduction now. Let's take a cue card topic. Describe your favorite restaurant. Describe your favorite restaurant. Cue card topic. In exam, you will get 1 minute preparation time. I will give you 5 minutes to prepare in practice mode. Describe your favorite restaurant. Which is your favorite restaurant? Why it is your favorite? Which, why, and what? What is best about it? Which is your favorite restaurant? Why it is your favorite? What is best about it? Which, why, and what? Rishabh, you will start this after 5 minutes to speak on your favorite restaurant. The only
Okay.
suggestion for all of you is never ever jump to the topic directly. Give
Mm-hmm.
background information related to the topic and then try to add more pointers to the topic. So just take 5 minutes in practice mode and then we will move ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you are thinking about favorite restaurant, all of you. To make it easy for you, I am sharing one sample answer link for this topic in chat box. You can browse it, add your own pointers and make it. Just check this sample for this topic restaurant. Any one of you who is ready with the sample, using the sample answer, any ideas for this topic? Rishabh, this time you need to start. Can you try, please?
Okay, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am? Okay. So I'll just written like 2, 3 points right now. So talking about my favorite restaurant. It's in New Delhi, Connaught Place area. The name is Rajas Thali. And
Rishabh, before you move ahead, we need to
Mhm.
give the background information about any topic. I mentioned also, you forgot, I guess. Never
Ma'am,
ever
the voice
listen.
was not audible.
That is okay.
Mhm.
Never ever jump to the topic directly. Always give 3 to 4 lines as a background information. जब हम book पढ़ते हैं,
जी
book के characters पे directly तो author नहीं आ जाता.
नो मैम
ऐसे जब लिखते हैं तो पहला पैराग्राफ इंट्रोडक्शन लिखते हैं ना.
जी जी
सिमिलरली स्पीकिंग में उस टॉपिक का थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड इंफॉर्मेशन या इंट्रोडक्शन देना है, तभी उसके बाद उस टॉपिक पे जंप करना.
Mhm.
So you can take again 5 minutes in practice mode. I am not in
And how would we prepare for the background information, ma'am? Can you give me some points for
sure.
that also?
I'll help you out. Don't worry.
Mhm.
I will definitely help you out, but I want others to at least try once. I have shared you the link for this topic.
Yes, I've seen that link, ma'am.
हाँ, तो उसमें सैंपल में देखो ना इंट्रोडक्टरी लाइंस कैसे स्टार्ट हो रही है.
Okay. Uh, just wait, ma'am.
दोबारा मैं उसको डाल रही हूँ चैट बॉक्स में. I can easily give you the introduction. That's not an issue for me, but I want all of you to try first your own ideas, your own thought process.
Okay.
Bhumik, any introductory lines you can mention if you want to try?
मैम 5 मिनट थोड़ा सा.
एग्जाम में हर टॉपिक पे 1 ही मिनट मिलेगा, प्रैक्टिस मोड में 5 मिनट ले लो. Rishabh, you have rejoined, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. I was like checking the link and I got
Okay.
disconnected.
Any one of you is ready? Girls, Rashri, Shanya. Any one of you who is ready? और भी girls है. Jasmine.
Ma'am, I'll try.
Good. Go ahead.
I have many restaurants in my list that I like, but among all of them, I like Chai Holik the most. It is located in Sonipat, and I used to go there with my friends. I like Chai Holik the most because their staff is very polite and friendly nature, and their customer service is so good. And whenever I go there, I found myself so with relaxing mind. And they also play music in low voice that makes us to relax a bit. And whenever I want to relax my mind or have some fun with friends, Chai Holi is a go-to place for me. And I always find myself to be comfortable there. Like the environment there is so friendly that makes us comfortable.
Okay, introduction is good. You could have added more ideas to it, but at least you tried it for the first time, so that's good. Shanya, Rashri, any one of you?
I will try, ma'am.
Please try.
I would like to talk about my favorite restaurant. This is one of the most favorite place. Recently, I will go Punjab, and the restaurant's name is the Taj Restaurant, and it is located in the Chandigarh main city. It is a very beautiful place. The food, I was try a lots of food. It's seafood and many more. The food at this restaurant is really nice. The many people enjoy eating there, and some visit their free times. It's like to go restaurants. Beautiful food is very popular among many people. Thank you.
Okay, good try, but you should not stop automatically. If you stop automatically, you lose one band score directly. So if the examiner is about to give you 7 bands, he'll end up giving you 7 because you stopped automatically, irrespective of the fact whether you are fumbling or not. That's hardly matters, but you should not stop automatically. Okay.
And there are, ma'am, काफी सारी grammatical mistakes है.
Grammatical mistakes slowly and steadily we can take care of because they've tried this topic for the first time. But
And ma'am, इनका yeah, sorry, I'm interrupting.
no
Basically,
problem.
इन सबका ये लग रहा है कि ये रट्टा मार के कर रहे हैं.
अभी
You
तो
have
ये
chosen a
3
very
pointers बना है.
अभी तो like you talk about like restaurant. It's not about eating a food. That we are doing twice or thrice in a day, right? To go to a restaurant is an experience. It's a moment. You want to get pampered by someone else. थोड़ा उसको rhythm में गाओ, थोड़ा उसको amazingly present करो
Actually,
आपने.
sir, ये अभी
आप
first
तो
time कर रहे हैं ना, तो ये this is very
हाँ.
normal क्योंकि इन लोगों
Ma'am,
को
they have a very less time. हाँ,
I
और ये
know.
बच्चे तो है नहीं.
I know.
एंड अब मैंने अपनी पूरी टीम को बार बार कह रखा है, मैं आइल्स की तैयारी नहीं करा रहा हूँ, मैं टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स की तैयारी करा रहा हूँ.
True.
आइल्स में मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है आपका आइल्स को क्लियर कराना. आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग यू टिप एंड ट्रिक वीकली इन अ डे कि भैया इस पे काम करो. काम आपको खुद करना है. एंड इट्स ओनली लाइक मैक्सिमम 15 days आर लेफ्ट जब मैंने आप सबका वीजा अप्लाई करना शुरू करना है.
हाँ, but topic तो
So
कोई भी
it's
बोलना
high
आना
time.
चाहिए ना.
एब्सोल्युटली मैम, उसका थोड़ा रिदम, इनको रिदम पकड़े, थोड़ा उसको ऐसे बताएं कि जैसे सोच के बोल रहे हैं, रट्टाफिकेशन नहीं है.
Ideally, they
आप
are
एक्चुअली
making
अपने
notes.
एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बात
आप
कर
लोग
रहे हो.
नोट्स से पढ़कर बोल रहे हैं अभी, इसलिए ऐसा लग रहा है कि रटके. आई नो आप सब पढ़ के ही बोल रहे हैं अभी, बट आइडियली ऐसा होना चाहिए क्योंकि अभी प्रैक्टिस कम है और टाइम लगता है. बट यू शुड पिक अप फास्ट. ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि आप लोग सोच रहे हैं और बोल रहे हैं, सोच रहे हैं और बोल रहे हैं, रादर देन कि लिख कर बोल रहे हैं.
राइट. अब आपने टॉपिक दिया, सिर्फ जैस्मिन का होमवर्क आया मेरे पास,
आई नो.
और किसी का होमवर्क नहीं आया.
मैंने आते ही बोला.
तो अगर राजश्री कल को मैं आपका कहूँ जी आपका काम नहीं हो पा रहा, भूमिक आपका काम नहीं हो पा रहा, सो डोंट ब्लेम मी. क्यों नहीं आते आप?
Sir, excuse me, I was
वरुण
not
आपका
in
क्यों नहीं
class.
आया?
I didn't attended the previous class as I already told you that we had held puja.
आपके पास रिकॉर्डिंग, आपने फोन करा, किसी से मांगा. All the classes are getting recorded.
I messaged you in the group as I was not able to call you because we had held a puja for the
तो
Navratri.
पूरा हफ्ता था ना, पूरा हफ्ता था. 4 बार मैसेज करते, 2 बार फोन कर लेते. मेरी टीम के इसमें 4 लोग हैं, उनको फोन कर लेते.
Guys, you have 1 week.
मतलब you know, it's not about us. It's not about us. It's about the Europe. हम और we are in same team. They will not listen. सर मेरा एक बैंड इसीलिए कम आया क्योंकि मैंने वो वाली क्लास नहीं अटेंड करी थी या योगेश ने रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया था. They will not listen it ना. Over to you, Preeti ma'am. I'm driving now.
Sure, please carry on. Guys, the idea of Yogesh ji is आप लोगों को 100% efforts हमारी तरफ से तो मिलेंगे, बट आपको भी एड ऑन करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली यू हैव टू गिव द एग्जाम. मैंने लिस्निंग बताया, लिस्निंग के टिप्स बताए, लिस्निंग का आपको पूरे 10 के टेस्ट दिए, बट अब इस हफ्ते में अगर आप वो 10 टेस्ट एक बार भी ट्राई नहीं करते हैं, सो देन यू आर नॉट सिंसियर, यू आर नॉट अटेंटिव. आई अंडरस्टैंड राजश्री तुम क्लास में नहीं थी, बट इफ यू आर नॉट अटेंडिंग एनी क्लास, आप किसी भी फ्रेंड से हेल्प ले सकते हो, पूछ लो क्या हो रहा है. और सिर्फ लास्ट क्लास की बात नहीं, उससे पहले भी मैंने सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन कराया, कुछ चीजें कराई, कोई भी चीज नहीं आ रही है.
और टेस्ट करके सारे एक टेस्ट डेली उसको अप्लाई करके स्क्रीनशॉट लेके ग्रुप में डालें, जिससे पता चले आपने टेस्ट करा है. इट इज अ रिक्वेस्ट विद एवरीबॉडी. आप सब अपने अपने ग्रुप में मेरे साथ एसोसिएट है. लिंक को क्लिक करें, एक टेस्ट रोज दे. और मैम कितने मिनट्स का है टेस्ट?
सी टोटल तो अगर हम स्पीकिंग सेम डे नहीं होता है, स्पीकिंग के 14 मिनट होते हैं, उसके अलावा राइटिंग 1 घंटा, रीडिंग 1 घंटा और लिसनिंग 40 मिनट.
जो आपने लिंक दिया है, हाँ,
2 घंटा 40 मिनट का पूरा एग्जाम है. 14 मिनट स्पीकिंग के अलग दिन होते हैं. और जो मैंने आपको लिंक दिया है वो 40 मिनट्स में 40 क्वेश्चंस है. लिसनिंग का एक टेस्ट 40 मिनट्स का है, 40 क्वेश्चंस का.
ठीक है, एक टेस्ट डेली दे, 40 मिनट्स लगाए, दिन में रात में जब भी कंफर्टेबल हो उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके ग्रुप में डाल लें. ठीक है, यही प्रैक्टिस का टाइम है. बिल्कुल
ठीक है. अभी रेस्टोरेंट वाले टॉपिक पे आप लोगों ने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया, आपको आइडिया हुआ, एक दो लोगों ने बोला, एक सिंपल सा टॉपिक लेके देखते हैं सो दैट यू कैन जनरेट योर आइडियाज मोर. मेक श्योर कि ऐसा ना लगे दैट आप पढ़कर बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि आप माइंड से बोल रहे हैं और सोच के बोल रहे हैं. लेट्स टेक वेरी सिंपल टॉपिक. डिस्क्राइब द पर्सन. Okay, describe your favorite cook. Let's take a simple topic. Describe your favorite cook. Who's your favorite cook? Describe your favorite cook. Who's your favorite cook? Why he or she is your favorite cook? What is good about him or her? Who, why, and what? Who, why, and what? Try to give introductory lines on your favorite cook. Quickly just think on it, introductory lines, and then move on to the topic. Think from every angle. Any one of you ready can start on this topic to try, or you can take 2-3 minutes more. Yes, Rishabh, if you're ready, you can start.
Okay, ma'am, I'll start. So, if, can I start, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so everyone loves great food with amazing taste, and behind every delicious food is a great cook. So today I want to share about my favorite cook. So for me, my favorite cook is my sister and my mother because not only they made my favorite recipes, I've always been health conscious and goes to work out. So they made delicious food with healthy recipes so that doesn't go against my health and fitness motivation. So they makes all kind of
That's
dishes
it.
from.
That's it. Good try. Introductory lines were little better, but you can have you could have tried more better with more energy and more grammatical, less grammatical errors.
Okay,
Jasmine,
ma'am.
over to you.
I have tried so many type of foods made up from many type of people, but I never get to taste the food that my mother made for me. Like she have magic in her hands, the spices she use, and the other things. It's just amazing, and I never forget the taste that she made for me. And I also like her food because her type. Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. You can rethink on this topic again quickly. Gaurav, over to you. Or Varun.
Yeah, ma'am. Back in 2021, just after lockdown, one of my cousin has started a cloud kitchen here in Hyderabad, and he named it as Healthy Bar, and he got one chef from Odisha, and I was almost 30 kilos overweight, and he used to make this high protein and low calorie meals during my weight loss journey, and he is one of my favorite chefs, and uh, yeah.
Okay,
That's what
I'll
I
give you the introductory lines. Rashri, would you like to try before I give you any introductory lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after that, Bhumik will try. Yeah.
Eating good food is what everyone likes to do, and having someone who can cook food or any cuisine for you is a really a blessing for you. Then, excuse me, ma'am, can I start again?
Yeah, yeah.
Eating good food is what everyone likes to do, and having someone in your life who can cook some really delicious cuisine or dishes for you whenever you want it, then that would be nothing less than really blessing. My favorite cook would be my mom, as she is the only person whose cooked meals taste like a comfort to me. I can eat whatever I want outside of the house, but when I want to have a comfort meal, then it would be only her cooked meal that can give me comfort.
Okay.
My
If we talk about IELTS speaking, you need to be more energetic, more ideas for your introduction. Don't stop automatically. Let me give you the introductory lines, all of you. Cooking is an art. It is not a cup of tea for all. There are a lot of favorite cooks in my life, but if I have to describe my favorite cook, she's my sister. She not only knows North Indian, South Indian, Italian, but also Chinese and continental. She has a lot of expertise because she is a degree holder in cooking and she's a chef. These can be the introductory lines. Then keep on speaking about from where she did, what all dishes she can. You need to think from every angle to keep on speaking till the time examiner asks you to stop in cue card IELTS. Every angle you need to think from 360 degree. Okay, let's take another topic. Describe your favorite electronic gadget. I'm picking very normal and very simple topics so that you speak more. And these are part of IELTS exam also. Your favorite electronic gadget or electronic device. Which is your favorite gadget? Why it is your favorite? Which, why? What is good about this gadget? Which, why, and what? Your favorite electronic gadget. Which is your favorite? Why it is your favorite? What is best about this gadget or device? Plan your introduction first. Now, those who have not tried previous two topics, they will try this topic. Shranya and other people. Varun. Just prepare. I'll tell you when to start. Be attentive. Try to be 100% participative. It is good for you. Let me know when you are ready, any one of you. Take your time and prepare. Rishabh, you are ready, I guess. Okay, go ahead.
So nowadays we use so many gadgets in our daily life, and we may use electronic gadgets also. but some becomes our favorite because of how useful they are. So, for example, my favorite gadget is my Apple Watch. Why it is my favorite is because it is easy to use, it's stylish, and it has many features like it can check my heartbeat, track my daily steps, give me notification for the daily water intake, and it is also like very useful because without using the phone I can receive call, get the text, and we can send the text back again. So it has so many features and it makes my life so much easier.
Okay, lot of fumbling is there, but at least you are able to hold it. That is the best part. Keep on thinking more so that you don't stop automatically. Make it more refined
Yes,
grammatical
ma'am.
wise also. Any one of you who is ready can try this topic.
Ma'am, Bhumi can't continue. There is an electricity problem at his home.
Okay, no
So,
problem. We can share. You can share the recording later on.
sure, sure.
Thank you. Over to you guys. Shania, if you're ready on this topic, you can start, please.
Ma'am, I need a minute.
Okay. Any one of you who is ready can start. Can try. We have less time. We need to cover more. Please do it quickly. Anyone, if you try.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, guys, please start.
Yeah. There are many electronic gadgets that I use in my daily life, but my favorite one would be my PlayStation because during lockdown, where I travel a lot, but during lockdown I was stuck in home and it really felt like I was in jail. During that time, I bought a PlayStation and I used to play all these GTA 5 and games throughout the day. So it helped me to sorry, one minute.
Okay, other candidate, I'll share the feedback. Wait.
Ma'am, may I speak? Ma'am,
Yes, yes, please start.
thank you for giving me the opportunity to tell about my favorite technology. Usually, usually I look. Sorry, ma'am. When I'm looking into a technology, I see what uh, more features it can offer me. I usually go for laptops and smartphones. I'm more lenient towards a laptop due to its multitasking purpose and a fast processor. A laptop can help us join to multiple devices with the simple HDMI wires, and uh, it's more easy to use.
You need to think more. You need to speak more, dear. You need to think more.
Ma'am, I will try.
Okay.
Well, this is a very interesting topic for me. Here I would like to talk about electronic equipment, include my smartphone, laptop, and on my personal computer. But today I would like to talk about a smartphone because it is a very interesting for me because I am a very tourism person. And recently I was a visitor Rajasthan in my relative, and I most use a smartphone because it is not waste my time because I am a listener Punjabi movie and Punjabi song because I am belong to Punjab, and then because thank you, ma'am.
You are really fumbling, really nervous. This hesitation has to be removed. Only when you will speak more, you can remove it. So that is the reason participation is very important. Any other candidate? Please try. Any one of you quickly try, please. Who will try? So many of you are there who have not tried. All of you have tried.
Ma'am, I would like to try.
Please go ahead. I don't have to invite you guys. Please participate. Start.
Now, in our daily life, we all are surrounded by the technology and it plays a very important role in our life. But if I talk about my favorite electronic gadget, which is my laptop, from which I can gain so much knowledge from internet, and it provides us the opportunity to attend my classes and have some knowledge which will help me in my future. And also, if I have any doubt about anything, to any topic and about anything, I can search it on my laptop and have knowledge about so many things and explore so many things. Like I can learn new language and do any work like online work and other things. And it also provides us so many information about our daily life and technology, and we can explore it more and more when we get into it and learn new thing, a completely new thing which will help me in our future and in my course that I will going to pursue. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next candidate.
मैम मैं बोलूं?
Bolo, Baba, bolo.
Well, there are many electronics equipment that are useful in our daily life, but I would like to tell a piece of electronic equipment that I find very useful in my life is my cell phone. I have been using it since 2022. It almost 3 years. It is red in color of Apple brand. I use my phone to find my destination through maps, which which was so demanding. Its advanced camera allows me to take photos and record videos at many times anywhere. I have access to my favorite songs through my smartphone. This device has
Good try, guys. You need to be more energetic. You need to make sure that you're speaking naturally. It should not look like you're peeping from your notebook. We are forcing you. We are pushing you so that you participate more. You speak more. Any questions? Any doubt? Any one of you? Okay, I want any one of you to repeat the essay writing format of IELTS exam. We did it twice in last class. हमने 2 बार किया था format. जिसको भी याद है IELTS essay writing का format मुझे बताइए please. Sahaj, can you try?
Yes,
There is
ma'am.
a technical error. I'm unable to switch on my camera. So guys, please try. Essay writing format.
Ma'am, the
Task
task
one.
2.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, task 2 is essay of 40 minutes, 250 words. 4 types of essays will be given: agree and disagree, advance and disadvance. Uh, then there is a problem solution type, 2 question type questions. Paraphrase the questions.
श्रन्या एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट बताया था ऐसे राइटिंग का. क्वेश्चन टाइप्स क्या है वो सबको पता है, बट एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट मैंने डिस्कस किया था. 4 पैराग्राफ आते हैं, पहले में क्या आएगा, दूसरे में क्या आएगा. मुझे वो क्विकली फॉर्मेट बता दो, 2 मिनट का काम है.
Ma'am, 4 paragraphs. First is introduction, and 2 paragraph is main body, para 1 and para 2, and conclusion.
Very good. Introduction, body para 1, body para 2 and conclusion. So 4 paragraphs, 60-65 words each paragraph. पेपर पेज दे रहे हैं तो हैंडराइटिंग ध्यान दीजिएगा. कंप्यूटर पेज दे रहे हैं तो टाइपिंग स्पीड अच्छा होना चाहिए. एवरी पैराग्राफ हैज टू बी लेफ्ट अलाइंड. Introduction, body para 1, body para 2, conclusion, all 4 paragraphs of 60-65 words to make it 250 words in 40 minutes. Any essay type. Introduction में कौन सी 3 चीजें कवर करते हैं वरुण essay के?
Ma'am, sorry, I didn't get you.
What 3 things we cover in the introductory part of the essay writing?
Paraphrasing the thesis and outline.
Very good. Paraphrase the statement, 3 to 4 lines. 1 line thesis statement, 1 to 2 lines outline statement. Any confusion, any one of you? Okay, I'm going to give you one topic now. I want you to write only the introductory paragraph. Rest of the essay you will complete at home and share to me by today evening for evaluation. Introductory paragraph, you have to write 60-65 words right now. Those who are giving paper-based exam, they will write it, click it and share. Those who are giving computer-based, they will type on WhatsApp and share. Capital punishment should be abolished in countries like India. Capital punishment should be abolished in countries like India. Agree or disagree? Capital punishment का मतलब सबको पता है?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Any one of you who knows? मैंने टॉपिक चैट बॉक्स में डाल दिया. Capital punishment should be abolished in country like India. Agree or disagree? What is the meaning of capital punishment, guys? Any one of you? जब टॉपिक ही समझ नहीं आएगा तो इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे लिखोगे? पूरा ऐसे कैसे लिखोगे? एग्जामिनर थोड़ी ना बताएगा कैपिटल पनिशमेंट का क्या मतलब है. आप सभी लोग 12th स्टैंडर्ड से ऊपर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं. ये तो सीबीएसई में भी कराया जाता है.
हम फांसी देना को कहते हैं.
Exactly. Hang till death. Hang till death should be abolished in countries like India, or it should be practiced. What is your opinion? So I just want introductory paragraph where you will paraphrase thesis and outline statement of 60-65 words. Take 5-7 minutes and do it. Hang till death. फांसी की सजा. If any one of you get ready, you can read it loudly. I can hear it. The introductory part. Any one of you is ready? Any one of you who is ready, just let me know.
May I speak, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Okay. So, capital punishment or death penalty, as we know it, is a legal sentence given to those who have committed really serious crimes. While many believe it should be abolished, I totally disagree with it. In a country like our country, where violent crimes and terrorism still exist, the death penalty serves as strong. Way and a form of justice to the victim's family to ensure that the most dangerous criminal are permanently
ऋषभ,
abolished.
पैराफ्रेज
Uh,
ठीक है, थीसिस ठीक है, आउटलाइन स्टेटमेंट कौन सी है इसमें?
I disagree with it because the
नहीं,
death penalty.
थीसिस स्टेटमेंट है. I totally agree or disagree. थीसिस है. उसके बाद आउटलाइन आती है. In this essay, we are going to discuss about the capital punishment in the subsequent
Okay.
paragraphs. वो
Okay,
लाइन
ma'am.
कहाँ है?
Okay, outline.
इसको चेंज करो, सही नहीं है ये फॉर्मेट वाइज. पैराफ्रेज ठीक था, थीसिस ठीक था, आउटलाइन स्टेटमेंट मिसिंग है.
जी.
Others,
Okay.
any one of you is ready? Guys, what you can do is try to complete it the entire essay by evening. Share to Yogesh ji. He will share me for evaluation. By today 6 p.m. I want all the essays so that I can evaluate by 9 and share the feedback. I hope that is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Take care, all of you. See the essay by 6 p.m. All of you.
मैम ऐसे
Essay writing जो अभी टॉपिक दिया है इस पे कंप्लीट essay लिखकर 6 बजे तक दे दीजिए.
ओके ओके
ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स पढ़ लीजिएगा, एडिट करके दीजिएगा. Have a nice day. Take care, all of you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.